2,660 children. We've had the Next Happy School with 2,095 students over here. The Kohler project, which has got 900 beneficiaries, and the Mahir project, where we've done distribution of smarties, mobile data, and laptops, another 1,000 beneficiaries over here. The RoboKids Edu Adventure, 600 students over here. The Shala Sudhar Yojana for ZP project, we have 300 beneficiaries. So on 26, these were the last three projects that we had going on under Riverside, where we had lunch for transgenders. Thank you, Rotarian Anuradha Mungi, for your kind donation for that. We had distribution of dry ration kits to underprivileged beneficiaries of our yes to vaccination and no to ventilator. Rotarian Umesh Jalan himself had gone with Kusumji to get the distribution done. I'm sure all of you have seen the pictures that he has posted on our Riverside group. And we had thank you to Rotarian Deepak Gupta and his family for distribution of COVID relief material to the orphanage. So that's just a small gist of the work we've done, starting with the weekly club meetings. We started off actually on the 1st of July, but that will come as an event, not as a meeting, the Doctor Day celebration. And we had a lot of meetings that most of you, I think, have attended all the meetings. So this is just for the speakers that we've had throughout the year. I think we've had great speakers, not only from Pune, not only from India, but all over the globe. Since the meetings were all virtual, a big thank you to Ganesh for arranging such great speakers and all the other members who helped us with this. Just running through this, you can just have a look at the slides. We had Manjari Prabhu, we had Vivek Verma, Nilima Thota, we had Narendra Godani, excellent speakers all throughout. We had Pradeep Udas, who had come in to entertain us one morning for the as a speaker. I'm just running through all this. This is a meeting events that we had in July. You can see that every month has been packed not only with meetings, but we've also tried to have some fun element like a fellowship or something else happening every month. We had Teachers' Day in September. We had a fellowship in September again. October came in with another great fellowship done by Jhelam. We've had great keynote speakers again. We had Nitin Kakodkar over here. We've had our club assemblies and board meetings at regular intervals every quarter. So if you'll see that throughout this, we have 1 month has been a club assembly. The next month we've had a board meeting every quarter. We had our first actual physical, I won't call it a fellowship, but we had the installation in November. It was great to physically meet all our members at that time. December, we had another fellowship because thanks to the relief we had from the COVID restrictions, we could actually meet. January, we had February over here. Here we had our own Rotarian Bharat Nain addressing all the members. March, again, we had Mukesh ji addressing everyone. April, May, and you can see June is another completely packed month. In fact, I have forgotten to put the President's farewell over here for due to lack of space, and it completely slipped my mind. So we had one more event over here in June. I would now hand over to Rotarian Sanjay Merchant to go through all the mega Riverside events that we've had throughout this year. Thank you so much. Sanjay ji, to you.
Yeah, I was muted. Thanks, Prerna. I kept talking. Yeah, we had a lot of mega events, and we started with the first day, which was the Doctor's Day, 1st of July. And Prerna next. Yeah, we had 118 doctors who were honored by handing over physical citations. And the best part was that a lot of our Rotarians went and gave it to the doctors themselves, the plaque which was there. So everybody, it was very good the way it was done. And we had a meeting also where the doctors had come and spoken. So that was very good, which was done. Then we had the Kargil Day celebration, the 26th of July, where Deepak and me went down to Lieutenant General Shekhatkar's place. And we had also a musical tribute by Amaya Dabli. And that was also done well. Yeah, this is where we are handing over the bouquet and this thing. He got ready, and then he had a lot of, he had a lot of meetings. So that day we were the first, and after that, all other meetings he had. So that was done very well. Then we had the Teachers' Day on the 5th of September, where more than 450 teachers were honored by handing over citations as a token of the appreciation. And a lot of teachers, were very thankful because nobody used to acknowledge them before. This is a full list along with the photos and all. Yeah, next. Okay, we have the Sanjeevani. This was full Colonel Mishra's, uh, brainchild, and he named it Sanjeevani after Hanuman, who went and got the Sanjeevani booty. So he said this will be very good, this thing. So we started with the Sanjeevani, and the first thing we did was have a melodic evening where Sanskritic Sur Sandhya was there. Two of them performed. Both were from Lucknow. In fact, Colonel Saab himself personally did the checked out before and then put it on our group, tell them to perform. So Dr. Shivani Matanhelia was the one. You heard her not only during that time, but even during Colonel's time when we had the farewell, she sang one of the songs which was there. Then we have the Hasya Vyang Prastuti by Shyam Shankar Shuklaji, whom we fondly call as Shyamji. And in fact, we had planned a Hasya Kavi also, but then that could not get through. But whatever was there was very good, very well done. Yeah, next. This is the Sangeet Prahar which we had. Thanks to Ganesh, who got Pradeep Udas and his guru Prasanna Masilkar, and they perform very well. In fact, they have not been used to performing in the morning, so they were also very happy to perform because it was very good. And the songs which they sang were, everybody enjoyed. And we had two, once before only Pradeep had come, and then this is the second time when we had everyone, both of them coming down and performing. This was one of the best meetings which we had. These are the Riverside projects which we had then. All the Happy Hands distribution, which Prerna spoke of, 12,500 face shield distribution, which Kiran and Priya had given. 48,750 nitrile gloves were there, pulse oximeter. In fact, Deepak was our what Colonel Sab calls it as field marshal on the ground. So
field marshal.
Yes, field marshal on the ground. So he used to go and give all these oximeters, gloves, face shields, everything was there. Then we have the image building which Kiran had done for club branding through hoardings, and you must have seen the hoardings. There was one in Koregaon Park, and there was one on the bridge, Yerada Bridge. We had the smart TV distribution at Maher, which Vikram got done, where TVs along with the smart TVs were given so that the children could, in this COVID times, they could, learn and do themselves. Then the FCRA water harvesting, Umesh ji and Rohit together with Kohler, the mega project which was done. And then we had the digital Guru Mantra, which was through the district, and Umesh ji and was very instrumental in doing that. We got a certificate for that also, and it will be there in the next slides. Yeah, next, Kiran, Prerna. Yeah, these are the photos. If you see on the right side, the Armstrong people digital TVs, which we had got smart TVs. Over here, Umesh is doing the Bhumi Pujan for the Kolar project. And we had the Happy Schools, the distribution of face masks and all by Deepak on the left-hand corner. Yeah, next. Yeah, this is the full Kolar project which was done. Next. Yeah, this is a certificate of the Guru Mantra which I told you about. I think that's all, Prerna. Next.
Yeah, I think we can hand over to Colonel right now.
Yeah, I'll hand over to Colonel.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Next slide, Prerna. So I am going to share the quick summary of projects basically. Next. It's a no, it's a club fellowship. As you know, we had 3 virtual fellowship and 2 actual fellowship, 1 overnight, 1 boat club fellowship, and out of these 5, in 2 of the fellowships, president's farewell fellowship, and 1 another virtual fellowship. We arrange the meal at home of the members, so that is there. You can see the one is Bengo, then evening fellowship, then house craft, and yes, of course, next. Yeah, and particularly I would like to thank Rotarian Deepak Gupta, who did a lot of his homework, a lot of his paid work, and he was instrumental in lot of planning and all those things. So thank you, Deepak Bhai, for that as a director fellowship. Then this is the photo of the President Farewell Fellowship, which was virtual. Next. This is the overnight fellowship for MTDC Karla, and we enjoy. In fact, we enjoyed the river rafting and then lot many things. And during COVID, we got the chance. It was in between the first wave and the second wave, and we did not know that second wave will be so dangerous. But anyway, we enjoyed. Thank to Deepak Bhai again. In fact, Deepak ji and Sandeep Bhai. I must say Sandeep Bhai and Deepak Bhai both were instrumental, in fact, in booking, planning, and all those things. So thank you very much. Next. This, installation ceremony, this was in physical, and I'm very happy and very proud. All the members joined during this. And you know that Chokalingam was our chief guest. Next. Club membership growth already Prerna has explained. We were very happy that this year, we could go for 6 members, and out of those 6, 2 were ladies, and we have got good marks on count of that. That is 80 marks out of this. So in fact, we have 460 marks, and the ranking is around 63, and that will improve further, because we are looking for 3 AG training, then bonus point, then there is conference. So we are expecting 100 points more if that is uploaded by tonight. So our ranking will improve around 45 something, and points will go will touch around 600. So we are very proud, and particularly I am very proud to announce and share with you all. Percentage of growth, we planned 15%, it is 21%, and most importantly, retention is 100%. So I would like to thank Rotarian Anuradha as a director fellowship for this, and give the credit to her. Next. Then comes project highlights. As usual, the categories, we are going to test the categories and talk about that. So next slide. So first is service project. We have 5. Special projects we have 10. Trala we have 1. Global grants projects we have 9. Yearly projects we have 5. Dream project Sanjeevani we have 9 talks. Next. So this is the service project which is done by Niruji. And you have seen talking Prerna, out of we have done 18 projects, and out of that 8 projects have been not only spearheaded but funded also by Niru Goyal. So it's a matter of proud that such member is with us. So we have Lardli, where she did project for 60,000 beneficiaries and 5 lakhs. Pragya, yes, 5 lakhs. Pragya means, it's Instasala, where the 1,000 beneficiaries, 1,000 students were given the school notebooks and the teaching aid, and they were also given the the broadband kind of things, which was very necessary. Care for air distribution of again the blankets, and this time it was beneficiary was around 730. Urja, she was doing herself, which benefited the bringing the immunity and building the immunity. Happy School, yes, Happy School. She is handling 2 Happy Schools, and I am very grateful that uploading and all she is looking after, and that has been done. So thank you, Neeruji, for this. Next. These are some pictures. You can see Urja, then you can see the Lardli, then Care for Air, then Happy School. So these are the some pictures. Next. Yeah, you can see the Lardli. Then you can see the right side. It is again Pragya and Istasala, where the children have been given the teaching aid, and the total beneficiaries are around 1,000. And this side, largely, the total beneficiaries are 60,000. Next. Again, the Riverside special projects. So there are 10. So this Saksham Yuva Youth Mentorship Project is going on very well. And I must compliment Rakeshji and Ganeshji. Ganeshji initiated this, and Rakeshji took lead. And we have signed up memo of understanding. And I'm happy to announce now the people have started getting the job also. So altogether budget is up to 360, and it has started on 2nd of April. It will be completing somewhere in October because they wanted extension, and weekly update we are getting on the group. So I'm very happy with that, and thanks again to Neeruji for this 3,60,000. This donation has come from Neeruji. The spearheading is from Rakeshji, and initiative is from Ganeshji. Second is yes for yes to vaccination and no to ventilator awareness program. We have done for May and we have done for June, and result is very result is very amazing. In fact, our target is underprivileged section who are motivated, inspired, taken to the identified centers, which are basically identified by the PMC, and this organization CYDA is providing 2 volunteers to each those centers, and those volunteers are doing field work at the point of vaccination. They are taking motivating and taking the people from underprivileged section. Then there they are helping they are managing the help desk, and they are also managing the counseling and making sure. And not only that, they are also providing the dry kit ration in if there is challenge, somebody is ill and all that. And in this program itself, I am very happy when I contacted Umeshji for donating 25,000. So he augmented, yes, I will do that on 26th. So and he has already distributed to this audience only. Then comes third is Sanjeevani Riverside Mansa Shaktiva. This program is going on very well. And for Rotary year 21-22 also we are going ahead. We are going to have one session for the teachers that is going to happen on 2nd of Saturday every month. Then we will have one students, one for students, that is on 4th. And beneficiaries which I would like to share with you, we have covered about 500 teachers and about 5,000 students by now. Financial literacy awareness, digital and phishing. This session was taken by Rakesh Bhai, President-elect. In fact, he's now President now by all purpose from today. I mean, COVID-19 Corona precautions and awareness. This was also one talk which was conducted. Providing lunch to transgenders. Again, thanks to Anuradha-ji. I contacted one fine morning. In fact, it was one idea came in my mind that we are having our own lunch on 26. So why we can't go for community and we can do the community service. So 4 or 5 days before I contacted Anuradha ji and I requested her to donate, and happily she donated for transgenders, and I am thankful to the Deepak Bhai. He went with food packets and distributed to 100 transgenders, providing dry ration kits to beneficiaries of S2 vaccination and No to ventilator underprivileged section. You have seen already the pictures, and on the same day, after talking to Anuradha, I was encouraged. Yes, why I should not go for other sections also, particularly the underprivileged section. So I requested Umesh ji, and he said, I'm quoting, आप कहें और हम ना करें ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, तो thank you उमेश जी, आपने किया. And in fact, he not only did, coordination was done by Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Baku with CIDA, but frontline donation and the distribution both was done by Umesh ji and Kushum ji at Koregaon Park. So thank you very much, Umesh ji and Kushum ji, providing COVID relief material to orphanage. In fact, this was done jointly by Rotary Club Pune Riverside and Rotary Deepak Gupta. Since he was not there and he was handling with the transgender, so he sent his son and daughter-in-law to distribute the COVID relief items. So thank you very much, DG, for your generosity in this regard. Next slide, please. These are some, pictures of the Mansa Shaktiva, which I was talking, which happened in 2021, and we have planned for 21-22. Next. You can see the yes to vaccination and no to ventilator. These are some pictures which have been taken. In fact, Deepak Gupta also went there, and he personally could see, and photo was there, but we could not show here. Sorry for that. Next. Here I would like to say, yes, this is the data for May, 6,200 something, and I'm glad to share with you. Data will come in maybe by tomorrow. Again, we have done 6,000 plus in June. So altogether, it is 12,250. So, and mind it, these are the beneficiaries of underprivileged society who earn their livelihood on daily basis, and they have a lot of challenges. So the first challenge was to motivate them, inspire them. Second challenge, to take them to the vaccination center and then get them vaccinated, and if they are ill, then supply the dry kit ration. So this has been done by CYDA. I'm very grateful to CYDA also. And for this, in fact, again, the initiative came from Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Baku. So thanks to him also. Next. These are some pictures. You can see 4 pictures are there. First, you can top this, son and daughter-in-law of Deepak Bhai. They are distributing the COVID relief items, and beneficiaries are around 350. That is a orphanage. So down below you can see Deepak Gupta himself is distributing the food packets duly and beautifully packed to the transgenders, and beneficiaries are 100. At the same time, when we were taking the meal, the same time this was being distributed. So inclusiveness is there. And here down below you can see Umesh distributing the dry kit ration, and he has already written beautifully. This was the best his best experience. And there some packets are there. Umesh ji there, Kusum ji is there. So next slide, please. Thank you, Umesh ji. Thank you, Deepak Bhai. Thank you, Anuradha. Then Raila, we have also done Raila, and this was conducted by Anuradha ji, and the speaker was Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Baku. Thanks. Next. This is global grant projects. You all know we have all 9 global grant projects, and this year it was being handled by Aditya, and Honorable Member Advisory Board is Vikramji. So we could do a good job by reporting and submitting, and that has been accepted. Number 1. I think we are in position to close few of the projects, um, exactly which have no money or no work left out, so that we can add some more projects during the year of Rakesh. So next, 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 please. Yeah, Sanjeevani, you know very well this. It is flagship project exclusive for teachers and students, aim to empower them to by bringing awareness, imparting knowledge, and equip through skill development on various topics related to them. Talk by eminent speakers being arranged once or twice a month. Man Sashaktiva, emotional wellness and mental health. Here, I would like to say with underline that in our army, if you go and you meet anyone, to, there people say whether you distribute anything or not, but you distribute the letters because that is the morale boosting for the Jawans. Same way here, people are suffering with lot of stress, lot of mental problem. So we decided very thoughtfully that we will address whole year on emotional wellness and mental health. And on this count, I would like to thank Umesh because he is doing wonderful job as far as impaneling the teachers and students behind, and uh, and and Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku. He has volunteered himself. He is a speaker and he's speaking for the teachers and all that. So and our target, which I said that 500 and 5,000, and next year also the target is higher side. So thank you to Umesh and thank you to Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku and Rakesh because this was his portfolio. Man Sashaktiva, emotional wellness and mental health. You have already seen that. Then target 1,000 teachers and 1,500. So by year end, we have the target of 15,000 students and 1,000 teachers. We have already done 50%. 50% we are looking forward during time of Rakesh. Next. These are some pictures you can see. Next. Next. Back, please. You can see our own speakers, our own speakers. Niruji has spoken, and then Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku, and then some connecting trust. These are, Prabhu. Prabhu was also one of great speaker who spoke about the counseling and career counseling. Next. As you know that we have contributed 2 lakhs in APF and this 100% Paul Harris Fellowship. So most of the new members have already paid, and old member, we want to touch them and we want to get their name also enrolled in RI, which is missing because a good number of the Riversiders are already Paul Harris, but 5-6 senior members and 4-5 new members. So once we do it, our club will be 100% PHF. Next. This is the I am going to propose and the name of President elect and President nominee. In fact, after it was in between, Rakesh requested to Ganeshji and he accepted as a president elect. So, but that was not approved by the board. So I request board to approve that. Number one. Second, I requested and prepared, Priyaji for taking over after Ganeshji, but due to some reasons, she is unwilling for that period. So I proposed the name of, Prerna Gaikwad for that. So, President, this Rotary Rakesh Ran will be taking over President from tomorrow. Then President-elect will be Ganesh. If you approve, then President nominee will be Prerna Gaikwad. So I request, please unmute yourself and approve this project. They approve this. So I request all to please unmute yourself and approve it. then I will proceed further.
Yes, yes, approved, Colonel sir.
Yes, approved.
Everybody, if that is
Yes.
there, so
Yes, sir.
only
Approved from my side also.
Yes, Colonel
Thank you.
Mishra, approved.
Thank you.
Approved
Thank
from
you
my
very
side
much.
also.
That's great, 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 great. Thank you very much. So I would like to, Ganesh is not there, but Prerna is there. So I would like to congratulate Prerna to you as a president nominee, because
Thank you for all of you.
that is the thing which
Congratulations.
I was struggling. If you remember, when I took over the charge, 6 months there was no president elect, there was no president nominee. So thoughtfully, I thought, yes, before I hand over the baton to Rakesh ji, these things must be aligned so he don't, face this challenge. And as I told you this, he spoke to Ganesh ji, and Ganesh ji has accepted. Prerna has already accepted. So thank you very much, Prerna, for accepting this role. And we all are there to support you. Thank you. And one more thing, I am just bringing to your notice, and I will invite Umesh ji to talk. In fact, he is facing a lot of problem as far as Cooler project is concerned, and he has come up with perhaps 1 lakh something which badly needed to support from club. And I first I will invite Umesh ji to talk in 2 minutes, not taking much time. So I will I propose, then I will say something. So over to Umesh ji.
Good morning, friends. So far, Kolar project is concerned, we have completed one part of it. The other part is the toilet construction at Sorpatwadi school. We have got for 25 lakhs of rupees funding from Kolar, but after we could utilize out of that only 3 lakh 50,000 rupees odd amount, and balance we could not utilize because our funds were blocked because of the FCRA renewal. We have already completed project value of 15 lakh at Wagoli, and for that the another 12 lakh of rupees payment we are holding to the vendors. Vendors were changing, so I have managed from my personal money to the vendors, and when we get the account unblocked, we will be settling their account. Still on that count, the vendors are to be paid beyond 5.5 lakh, another 4.5 lakh. Now the Sorpatwadi school construction work has to be started because Kolar is pressing very high for starting the construction. So minimum fund requirement we require to project to continue is another 1,30,000. We have already made the FCRA renewal application online some 10 days back, and I think that it should get through within a month's time and maximum, and then we will get release all these blocked funds, and we can settle all the vendors and accommodation money whatever we are receiving. So the requirement is only a temporary requirement of accommodation money of 1,30,000 rupees to continue the project work. So I request that our trust or club
Thank you, Umesh ji.
arrange
Thank you.
this.
Thank you, Umesh ji. Thank you very much. Friends, we have money in trust account, and that is part of advance. So, and that advance and some more money. So I think this is the time where at the need of our, if board approves and permit me, I can release this 1,30,000. So over to board to approve it.
I
I
think
need
it
your
should be
approval.
done.
No, you can't. Umesh ji, you can't. Just
Yeah.
let me have the let me have the please. Yeah.
I believe that this is okay, Mishra ji, perfectly fine as the funds are going towards a constructive thing.
And this is temporarily. I would like to say one or more agreement to this so that it is approved by board. You are proposing, Ruchinji, you are proposing. I want someone to second it. That's all. Please come out. Someone to second it.
I second it, sir.
Thank you very much. So this proposal is approved, and with your permission, I will be getting the check of 1,30,000 release. Umeshji, this will be in your
Thank you
name,
very
or
much.
it will be in your name, Umeshji?
No, no,
Please
no.
send me detail. Send me
It
details.
will be in the vendor's
No
name,
problem. No, you just send the details. That's all. You
and
send the details.
we will be getting back this money once we will be settling from our
Got it.
FCRA account and get
got
back
it.
this
Just,
money. So it will be only refundable advance.
I know, Umeshji, just send the detail. Board has
Okay.
approved, and we will make the
Thank
check,
you.
and you will get it. Thank you very much. Next. From my side, as far as board meeting is concerned, that is over. Now, I will request honorable members if they want to speak something. One thing more I would like to say. I'm very happy to share with you that we have tried our level best to adjust our expenses within resource, and we are leaving 1 lakh plus for the installation of Rakeshji. That is one thing. And interest account, whatsoever reserve of the Niruji is there, that is already intact. And in fact, we have been struggling to get the bank details from the SDFC Bank, which we could not go. We could not do, but we will be preparing for joint BOD after the 30th June audit is over. So I will that time. In fact, I will coordinate with Rakeshji and team, and then we will have BOD in which I will be presenting the complete accounts, and the details will also be shared to all the members. So that I wanted to share with you. So open to honorable members and advisors to speak if they want to speak something. Yeah, we have still time, few minutes.
So,
Vikramji, yeah.
Colonel Mishra and your team, I think you have done a super fabulous job this year.
Thank you.
And
Thank you very much.
I don't think anyone could have done it better. I think in the last fellowship, somebody mentioned that this was one of the best years. I think that was Sandeep. And I absolutely, totally, completely agree with that. This was one of the best years that the club has seen. And we are extremely indebted to you, to your team. Yeah, I am sorry for Rakeshji because this is going to be a hard act to follow. But this has been outstanding. And my congratulations to you, Colonel Mishra.
Thank you very much.
Prerna. Some people in your team actually showed us how to do certain jobs or perform certain roles in Rotary, and Prerna was one of them. She did a fantastic job as a secretary.
I agree.
Thank you so much.
One of the best secretaries we've ever had. So if we could help it, we'd make you permanent secretary. You know, that's the position in the government also.
President.
But
it's all been great teamwork.
Yes, it has. Without a doubt, what came out clearly was that it was great teamwork, and it was outstanding teamwork, in fact, and that kind of coordination and support has been rarely seen. Even when some members of the team were unable to be present or deliver or perform, the rest of the team just closed ranks, and the rest of the club didn't even know about it. I think that was the most fantastic thing. I'm actually, we talk about management and we talk about coordination, and we do that all the time in our businesses, and wherever we go, and we get invited as speakers and so on and so forth. But you demonstrated how that is done, and I'm very impressed. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Colonel Mishra, you know, the movement in all the projects and the grants also have been exceptional. And the Umesh ji has seen to it, whether he agreed to be treasurer or he didn't agree to be treasurer. He stepped forward and did his bit, for which I'm really very grateful, Umesh ji. You know, the way that you've taken up all the compliance issues, which some of us just couldn't do, is fantastic, and thank you for
I
that.
fully agree. I fully
Yes,
agree,
yes.
Vikram. Fully agree.
And I have maintained, you know, from the last 4 years, I've maintained that the best treasurer we've had so far in so many years has been Umesh Jalan, and whether he is the treasurer or not, he continues to give his support. And I think this club is going from strength to strength, and that gives us a lot of pleasure and a lot of happiness. So thank you for making this an outstanding year in spite of all the adversity and problems that I think you just delivered. There is no other words for it.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this generosity and kind words. And we are part of. In fact, I feel I was blessed to be part of the Rotary Club Pune Riverside, because after joining I could understand this is not the club, this is the family. And I don't say this extended family, I say it's joint. It's kind of feeling which I feel is a joint family. We are together, and we feel like that. And when there is some work or requirement of the members, they are already there, like a solid in solid state. So thank you very much for your kind words. Anybody else, so that we can close after that? Anybody else want to say something?
I have one thing, like number one, I concur with Vikram, like whatever he said, like you and Prerna. Last year was very difficult for a lot of us on personal front, but as a club, you did exceedingly well. And one last thing, these Jan Seva guys have been calling me at least 4 or 5 times in a day. And yesterday he sent me a message that Vikram is not picking up my calls, and I blocked his number. So next time he'll complain that I am not picking his calls.
No, I have taken care of it, Rujin. He has sent me the same message saying, "Why are you not picking up my call? Why aren't you calling me?" But you know, I don't know how to get hold of that checkbook for that grant. The
Right.
money is to be paid, and I don't know who has it. Vinay isn't responding at all. I've sent many messages. I've called 4 or 5 times. He doesn't answer. So
Right.
I don't know what to do. I'm not sure who the signatories are, but I'm going to check, and I'm going to issue a letter to the bank to issue a pay order, because there's no other way to do it. I don't know where that checkbook is.
No, if we agree that the payment has to be
I don't
released,
think we'll be.
I remember Umesh had created an Excel sheet with the name of the checkbook and who are the signatories on that. So
Right.
Uh,
Right.
Vikram, you have
But
sent
checkbook
you
nahi hai
have
na?
forwarded a letter, but
Huh.
you have not forwarded the request what amount the Janta Sehkari has to be given. And
That is
the
3
checkbook
mails
is
before
there
that
with
only.
all the checkbooks are there with Vinay only, and he has
कोई problem
undertaken
है.
some changes of signatures also. So I
अच्छा.
do not know. We did not intimate even to the global grant the changes of the signature. If anything has been done, I am afraid of that.
Anyway,
So,
we can
so
discuss all these things. Yeah, please.
I
Yeah,
mean, this
Vikram
is
ji.
also Colonel Mishra. This is also a board meeting, so this is an issue for the
Yeah,
board meeting,
please.
and we should
Please go ahead.
we should cover
Please
that.
go ahead.
But I think right now, as Umesh ji is saying, all the checkbooks seem to be with Vinay, and we can make no payment. As far as the amount to be paid is concerned, Umesh ji, if you look at the 2-3 mails which were sent before the last one, before this letter, the invoice and the approved amount of some 4 lakh rupees, and those guys are desperate, and they're constantly calling me 3 times a day. You know,
Yeah,
so
but Vikram, it has to be seen with our previous payment also. It has got to be reconciled, because we cannot pay just the vendor what he is demanding. So it has to be seen with reference to our historical past payments and all that. that what is balance payable to them and then release the payment.
You're right, because initially he asked for some 12 lakh rupees, and then I said, you demonstrate why you need that 12 lakh rupees, show me the work done. Then he said, नहीं ये काम तो हुआ ही नहीं है, अभी आगे चल के होगा, मगर प्रैक्टिस यही है कि आप पहले पैसा दोगे तो ही हम करेंगे. So I said,
Yeah, so,
you know, that's not
so we are
okay.
keeping that matter aside. We are saying that whatever he is demanding, at least we have to go through our record that yes, that much money is payable to him as per the work order issued to him, what we have paid and what is payable. Maybe we are paying in advance, but that has got to be processed.
Yeah, so I mean, now I don't know what to do as the next step, because I believe that this 4 lakh odd has to be paid. The rest of the money I put on hold, another 8 lakhs. But I don't know how to move this forward.
Can we order another checkbook?
Yes.
Sanjay ji is
straight away.
Can I say something?
Yeah, Rakesh bhai, go ahead.
See, as far as checkbook is concerned, we can right now pass a resolution and ask the bank to change the signatory's name and issue a new checkbook for all these accounts. Otherwise, we can also request that executive secretary that we have already appointed. What's her name? I forgot that.
Monaz.
She is very
having
close
all
to
the checkbooks.
He is very close to Vinay, and she can get all these checkbooks, and things can be sorted out. So immediately we should be passing the resolution for change in name and signatories and handing it over to the bank, so that in future there is no issue at all.
I think that the signatories on the accounts have not been changed by Vinay. He can't change the global grant signatories without a resolution.
That's what I'm saying, that we need to pass it and get it changed, so that in future we should not have any problem.
No, I'm saying that Vinay was simply added as a signatory and nobody's names have been removed. So if I was a signatory, I continue to be one.
Okay. Then it's fine.
Physical checkbook. Yeah, I need only the physical checkbook.
There is no problem.
But then his name needs to be removed from the account.
Yes, that's
right. And new treasurer, whosoever is Ajay is coming in, so we can add his name and signatures over there.
So what I'll do is I will ask the bank to give us a status of all the accounts and the signatories to those accounts, and then we'll take a call and pass the necessary resolutions.
Yeah.
Vikram, one more thing here, that Yogita has been calling up for the FD movement and the interest accrual certificate, etc., which we have to get from HDFC Bank.
Umesh, this we can talk later, because this discussion is endless. Okay, so please.
See, in board meeting, Colonel Misra, you have to allow to discuss the issues. Otherwise, we cannot run the club properly.
Go ahead. But time should be there. Time is also.
No, I will take only 1 minute to put the issue only.
Go ahead.
So Yogita is wanting all the FD movement.
Okay, I will arrange that for her.
And interest accrued certificate, etc. Without that, she cannot complete the grant utilization certificate also, and she is unable to complete the account. And I cannot get that from the bank because I am not the signatory. And
I will take care of it. Don't worry,
okay,
sir. I'll do it today.
Umesh.
Yeah?
Also that this thing, my DSC has to be approved, no, by the board.
That Colonel Misra has already agreed with me that he is giving.
That will be done. I will, after meeting is over, I will pass on the information to you. So please, as far as these issues are concerned, whatsoever you have said, that will be taken care of. That is already noted. So if allow, then we will wind up the meeting by extending vote of thanks. Inviting for vote of thanks to Prerna Gaikwad. So over to Prerna.
Prerna, over to you. Yeah, I'm here. I was on mute, sorry. Thank you so much to everyone for all your kind words. While I was going through the presentation, actually seeing the donors that we have in our club and how everybody is just so ready to, at the drop of a hat, to help. It just reminded me of something which I read as a kid in the diary of Anne Frank. She had said how wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment to improve the world. I think our club members are a true embodiment of this. I would like to thank everyone for a wonderful year that we've had, for all your support. It's only because of the members that we have today completed so many projects, done so much this year in spite of not meeting each other physically. So it's been a great year, a lot of learning for all of us, I think, not just doing projects, but learning to move about things in this Corona time. So a big thank you to Colin Mishra for this excellent year, the rest of the board members. Hats off to everyone. We started on the 1st of July, which was a Wednesday. We end on 30th July, which is a Wednesday again. A
Yes.
complete power packed year this has been. Thank you very much from the entire board, and thank you to everyone. That's all from me. Back to you, Colin Mishra.
Thank you very much. And as usual, I would like to request Vikramji to say, thought of the day. So over to Vikramji.
Hanji. So, so you're putting me back on the spot again.
Look for that. We look for that.
Okay.
You're always in the spotlight.
Yeah.
But this time I actually want to repeat what I said in the last meeting. So Colonel Mishra, through this year of adversity, you crossed every bridge that you came to, and you were able to cross them because you built them. You built bridges with everybody, with donors, with members, with outsiders, and therefore hats off. You are one of the most successful presidents, but you're also a bridge builder, and thank you for that.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your kind words. I would like to invite Rotarian Sandeep ji for tonic of the day, joke of the day. Over to Sandeep ji.
Good morning, everybody, and thank you, Kanan sir. Of course, I think it is desirable that, like everybody else has put in his word of thanks, I do so too to you and Prerna. You have been wonderful. You have been great. Okay, so Vikram has not really said the one-liner, so I'll put in a one-liner. So my one-liner is: every man should get married. Every wise man should get married. After all, happiness is not the only thing in life.
Wow, thank you. But we will not leave you without joke.
That is
No, that is one liner. That's not joke. We will not leave you.
Serve him right.
Okay. So let me share something, which you can take it whichever way. So there was this guy who believed in God, and he would pray day and night, that God is always around with him. And one day it so happens in his village it starts flooding, and people start leaving. And they go to him and say, okay, we are all quitting because this is going to be flooded and you are going to drown if you don't leave with us. He says, please understand, I believe in God, my God will help me. They say, okay, and they leave. After a few days, it starts, growing up, and he's on the first floor of his house. And the people from defense, they come in a boat and they say, okay, you must leave because this is going to be bad. He said, no, my God is with me. I'm not going to leave. Okay. Another couple of days, he's on the second floor of his house, and this helicopter comes. And they say, we are going to evacuate everybody and you need to come with us. He says, don't worry about me. My God is with me. And fourth day, of course, he's dead. So he goes and faces the God, and he's a very angry person. He says, God, I trusted you. I was with you every single day, praying you, and I expected that you would be there when I need you. So God says, actually, I came. You didn't realize. First I came in the form of villagers. You refused. Then I came in a form of boat. You refused. Then I came in a form of helicopter. You refused. Tell me, how many times am I supposed to come and help you? Thank you.
Thank you very much for your really. It's a good joke. Now, last but not the least, as usual, I started with the, it's a, handing over the baton. So first I took over, I handed over to Prerna handed over to Sanjay ji, then Sanjay ji handed over to me. It's time for me to sign off, and I hand over the baton to Rakesh ji. So heartiest congratulations, Rakesh ji, for taking over. You and your team, and we are there to support you. I would like to.
Thank you, Colonel साहब. लेकिन ये virtual handover नहीं चलेगा. आपने पूरा साल virtual में निकाल दिया, तो अब virtual और नहीं चलेगा. This has to be something one-to-one, and we are looking for that. So thank you very much, and you have done a wonderful job. In fact, you have set such high standards. It will be a challenge to meet the same, but definitely the people, they are going to work with more enthusiasm and passion, and they are going to start with a bang, that I know, and you are always there to support us. So
yes,
your legacy will continue.
I am there.
And the pace that you have set, that will be followed, rest assured. Right? So thanks a lot for such a wonderful time, and you are there as past president, as director skill projects, and for all the purpose, we'll come back to you on that. Right? Thanks a lot, and let's see to have a wonderful 21-22 coming.
Yes, that will be there, and I am part of you. I am always with you in any capacity. You remember me, but of course, as a immediate past president and as a director education skill development program, wish you once again all the best, and I am very sure with you and Kiran and the team, Sanjay bhai and Prerna and almost, Deepak bhai, it's going to, I'm complete board, complete Riversiders, it's like family, so you are going to rock. All the best.
We are a family, and there is no bifurcation of any rules, so everybody understands that it's the club which is of the utmost importance, and we have to take it forward, and that's what everybody has is already committed. They are doing it, and we will continue doing.
Thank you.
All the best to you also.
कर्नल साहब ने सबका नाम लिया, अपना नाम एक्सक्लूड कर दिया.
नहीं, मैं अपना नाम कैसे, उमेश भाई अपना नाम कैसे मैं एक्सक्लूड कर सकता हूं?
वो कहते हैं सही पकड़े हैं.
सही पकड़े हैं.
I am always the critic.
I know, but you have been admirer also. It's not only critic, you are admirer also. I can't take it as
one thing that I wanted to make a request. There are 4 members, Vinay, Bhargavi, Amit Kothari, and Janvi, who are not sure. So what we should be doing, I want to understand from the board.
No. One thing, Rakesh bhai, you should be very clear. See, if you have doubt, today we will remove them from the, we can remove them. If you have spoken and they have said no, so no point in taking the liability. So we can remove.
Like Vikram said, Vinay is not responding at all. I tried to make the call. I have sent the message. There is no response. In fact, I have requested Aditya also to have a clarity on the same, but there is no clarity. So what we should be doing, I leave it to the board to decide, because tomorrow there should not be any ill will feeling in the heart or heartburning for anybody that why we did it. But then we have to be sure, and we have to take the decision today only. If we keep the names for tomorrow, then we have to make payment towards membership fee to RA, which will be additional burden to the club.
Not even tomorrow, end of day today, whatever count we have is the count that will be taken to generate the invoice.
Rakesh, can I say something?
Yes, madam. Yes, Anuradha ji.
Yeah. Yesterday only I received a mailer from Pankaj Mehta. Okay.
Yeah.
And he has categorically warned that don't drop the members which are uncertain to join on the last day of the month, because you drop. After a couple of days, we will consider it as a new membership. If you want, I can forward it. This is.
Sorry, Anuradha ji, आपकी voice drop हो रही है.
You see, yesterday I received a circular okay, from Pankaj Beta, our new DG, saying that dropping the members of the last day of the year because they are uncertain to continue and then they decide to join later on. So after 1 month you pay is not acceptable. Okay.
Anuradha,
It's
So-
not acceptable, but if they don't join,
Anuradha,
are we ready to take the burden of their membership?
That
No,
is
no,
what they're
Anuradha,
saying.
Rakesh-
Yeah.
Rakesh ji, I have
what
got
we are
one
saying
input.
Rakesh ji, Rakesh ji, for this I can tell you, I can share my experience with you. Just you know, you are to take the call, nobody else. Board is not going to take the call. Nobody is going to take.
Kamal sahab, this is not my personal agenda. This is for the entire club, so board has to take the call.
No, Rakesh ji.
Rakesh ji, I give you one.
100% not there.
Rakesh ji, I will give you one input here.
Yeah.
Say if we are finalizing the members outgoing and resignation in the next month event, then what we need to pay is that 6 months we have to pay for all the members. But in our next bill of July, the pro rata amount for 1 month only extra we have to pay. Okay, and that we can take the hit.
I leave it to everybody's
So,
wisdom
so
over here.
5 months fees, extra fees will be adjusted in the next bill. That is what is the rule. It's on monthly basis they are charging pro rata.
See, Umesh ji, the thing is that if a person is not responding at all, even just now Vikram also said that he is not responding. What do we do about it?
No, Rakesh ji, Vinay and Bhargavi are out.
Vinay and Bhargavi are out. What about Janavi and this Amit Kothari?
Janvi shifting to US and Amit Kothari, I don't know. He said that he would continue it to Aditya.
Okay, then we can take a chance with Amit and Janavi, and we should drop the names of Vinay and Bhargavi.
Yes.
Aditya, I think already confirmed Amit is continuing. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, Kiran?
Amit is already, I think, confirmed to Aditya, no, that he's continuing.
Okay,
He normally
that's
just
great.
pays up. Yeah, he already pays up. Same thing, Bhargavi and Vinay, Aditya had mentioned he highly doubts they will continue. Janvi also, I would suggest, if anybody knows, which again is Aditya, Dr. Hardas is her father, who's the cardiologist. So I think he'll be a very strong member to add on. Maybe he can take Janvi's place. So we can, instead of us dropping a member, we just shift.
Because the thing is that Janvi will be moving to US for her studies in September.
Yeah. So if she's still sick, it's up to her. I think Prerna had mentioned also, so she's most likely sticking on. But again, because she's going to be leaving the country, so I don't know if that makes any sense or she'll be participating in anything. But I think someone definitely needs to have a word with her. Prerna, would you do it, or do you think I should do it?
I'll speak to her post this meeting and update you all on the BOD group.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
then we'll drop
let's.
the names of Vinay and Bhargavi, and we'll continue with Amit and Janvi, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Chaliye, thank you. So I would like to have the permission to eat the meeting. Okay.
Thank you.
Rakesh bhai, your permission.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.